Yes.
Ah! I just made that connection.
That makes a lot more sense now, doesn't it?
Yeah. I guess they gave it like a better suspension for off-roading and stuff. You know, if it's in good shape, then people are gonna shell out for it. Whoa! Where is he even going? Is he gonna try and get in front of me now?
Look at his ass. Look at him.
What an idiot, yo. He just started coming over into you now, too.
And he gives me the what the fuck hand.
I honked at him.
I heard it. My ass.
I mean, he was behind us. Like, what is he doing trying to squeeze through those gaps? Concrete mess. Like, people slide off of it all the time. It's always under construction, riddled with potholes.
Right.
Where is this guy going?
Yeah.
Look at this Hyundai.
He got out of the lane. Jesus Christ.
I mean, there's arrows, but
I didn't know if the arrow was different.
oh, that was bad. I heard that.
Yeah. Yeah, that van was trying to turn left there, and there's a no left turn arrow.
Those people.
Just be prepared to move over to the right lane so we can get down to the circle. Whoa, whoa,
Right.
what is this BMW doing? Do you see this guy 2 cars up from me?
Nah.
Dude, you just run the light at that point. That's so crazy. I mean, he's in between the 2 crosswalks. Oh, now he's going to turn left from this lane. And he's blocking the oncoming left-turning car. Because he's just in the middle of the intersection.
I do not remember any of these buildings. It's been that long.
Who's honking now? Our light is red, right?
Yeah. I think they went over.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice. Why is that? Oh, the one. Oh, that's really weird. 2-way and then solve tunnel. What? Nope. Nope. Not today.
What is that guy doing?
Which guy?
That Lexus there, they just stopped.
I'm like looking. Sorry, I see the green light, but I'm
I don't know what to fucking do.
Uh,
I mean, this Mercedes is gonna block everybody.
yeah.
So
We're just gonna back up, because we're not dealing with that guy.
yeah.
I mean,
And now we got a Clarity coming out.
what are all these people trying to do?
Can we figure y'all shit out? Like, cause y'all can't do it. Alright, you ain't gonna fuck me.
I don't need it. No, thank you.
Let me hold it down.
I'm sorry.
Oh, y'all know you got it.
I don't.
Fuck.
You have a good night.
Tell him to fuck. I would tell him to fuck off.
Man, now my windshield's messed up.
I honked at one of those windshield wiper or windshield people that did it. Almost did it to me. Does anybody need their medication?
You left your pills.
It's like Chick-fil-A comes running after you with your Chick-fil-A sauce. Highlander just ran it. Did not.
0 F's to give. Do you see anything down there?
Oh yeah, there's a. I think there's. That's yellow, but there was one spot.
All right, wait. I'm circling back around. I can't believe I just made that turn. Your left signal is on. Oh, what's he doing?
I don't know. I got a person that's double parked here and I can't get around him.
And I feel like we're maybe blocking the intersection now.
There's an open parking space.
The Ultima joined in!
There's an open parking space that he could pull into.
I just love that the 5th guy behind us joined in too. And I feel like we're maybe blocking the intersection now. The Ultima joined in! Never mind.
Fucking touched my car.
Yeah, it's really annoying. I mean, I work hard to keep this clean. I don't want somebody else to do it.
We're turning left again onto E.
That
God damn!
dumb as hell.
Yeah, no, there was one person's videos that I was watching, and God, and he.
What? You're shooting people with rubber bullets for standing?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh my God.
I can't believe we just saw that.
I'm not really sure what happened,
He was just going down the wrong way.
but didn't he just U-turn?
This is a really unnecessarily long light.
Yeah. Oh, longest light when we were trying to get over to, I don't even know how to pronounce that street.
Is that guy going the wrong way too? Yeah.
It's parking.
Oh.
What the? What?
His reverse light's still on, and he's going forwards. Oh yeah, he definitely just tried to turn the wrong way down here.
Oh, are we parking?
At least not that one. Back speed. There. What is this Kia going to do?
Probably gonna try and turn
God.
left.
Yeah, they are. Just go, dude. Oh.
That Infinity was trying to go around him. I think you're much nicer than the next 3 of us would have been. Oh, they just cut their signal on. And he's trying to figure out the sign. Maybe waiting for one car. Alright, you can do it, buddy.
Oh, I'm going a little slow up here on Charles. Oh, we just got stuck at Baltimore Street.
Okay.
We should be able to catch it.
What is that guy doing?
I don't know.
Like the Inner Harbor area again.
Ah, yeah. Let's say, don't we have
Roll backwards at all. Oh, I don't.
Yeah, mine has a. Mine has a brakes assist.
Definitely
thing.
no lights on the RAV4. There we go.
Close to her, and we were never inside.
Yeah,
But
you were on a back porch, right? What is this guy doing?
front porch.
You're not reversing up Pratt Street, dude. It's just not gonna happen.